I'm starting off at the entrance. Yeah, you can see my entire apartment from here. This is the door. There go a mirror, you know what I'm saying, a mirror closet thingy. Yeah, this is the entrance. All right, so this is the dining room. This chandelier, the people who used to live here before actually left it. Yeah, I don't really like it, but it works in this area, I guess, for now. So this is my dining table. I only got a 4-seater. The reason I did that was because, first of all, anything bigger than a 4-seater probably would not have fit in this tiny space. And also they didn't have the 6-seater that I wanted, which is the exact same table as this, but it's a 6-seater. This table is a glass table with chrome legs, and I got it from STRUCTUBE, and the price for this table was $199, and actually the 6-seater was also $199. So I'm low-key cheesed that I had to spend the same price for a 4-seater, but it's alright because it's cute. I also got the chairs from STRUCTUBE as well. They're all white. I literally have a panic attack anytime somebody sits on these chairs because I'm like, no, they're gonna get dirty. The price for the chairs were $79 each, and I have 4 obviously. These tablecloths, I got them from HOMESENSE or Winners, one of those. I have these coasters. They're so cute. They're like marble with rose gold. It looks like gold leaf, but like a rose gold leaf. All right, so moving on. This is the living room. There's an empty space right there. Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna do something, or I'm gonna put something there, but I just don't know what yet. And I have all this wall space and I don't know what to do with it. So yeah, if you guys have any ideas, please leave them in the comments below. So here's my lovely couch. I love this couch. It's so comfortable and it's so cute. It is from IKEA and it costs $999. And my favorite part about this couch is that it has storage. We're not gonna see what's in there, but it has storage, y'all. That whole entire seat right there is storage, so it's amazing. I'm not gonna go too much into detail about the pillowcases and all that because I actually have another video discussing my home decor. I didn't mention anything about the dining table and all of those things. That's why I brought that up in this video. But yeah, if you guys wanna find out about these pillows and throws and, you know, cute little home decor things, you can watch my home decor video. Yes, so the couch was from IKEA. It was $999. I also got this lovely coffee table from IKEA as well. I actually DIY'd the bottom half. You'll notice there's marble on the bottom. That's contact paper. It cost $9 from Walmart, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just put on the bottom piece. I was actually, because the theme of my living room is gold and white, so I was actually going to spray paint that table gold, and then I thought that might look too tacky, so I didn't end up doing it. And I'm so glad I didn't because the white looks so much better. This rug I got from some rug shop at Eglinton Town Center. I don't even know why I was in that mall, but I was in that mall and then I came across this rug store and I was like, damn, that's hella cute. And you know what's funny? I found the same rug at Winners and it cost $199 plus tax and it was made in China. But this one was made in Turkey and it cost me $150, okay? Anyways, I'm not gonna go into detail about these little things because as I mentioned before, I actually have an entire video talking about price and everything for all these things. Except the table. So the table, by the way, cost me like $70. This TV stand was from IKEA. I actually got it on sale. You know, it's like a glossy finish, and then we have like some things that we don't want to be shown on the floor inside those cupboards. And we got the Apple TV down there. Chris's PlayStation used to be out here, but I was like, hell no, honey, you need to move that. But anyways, and then we have our TV, which I don't think we got on sale. Yeah, I don't think it was on sale, but it was like $4 or something. It's like a 48-inch. We didn't want anything too big because this wall is not the biggest wall, but yeah. We got this clock from Winners and it was $12.99. Yes, honey. I know it's really empty, guys, okay? Please bear with me. Oh, by the way, I got this light from Winners. It's white and gold, which goes with the theme, you know what I'm saying? And it was $29.99. This right here is called a laptop stand. It's from IKEA. I used that contact paper on it again. I don't know why I got black. I really should have got white. But I kind of like that it's black. I don't know why. Even though it doesn't really go with anything, I still like it. But yeah, we eat on this sometimes, you know. But for the most part, it's used as like a side table. And I think it was like $26. Anyways, this right here, oh guys, that's my purse. But anyways, This right here is from IKEA and it holds your remotes. So don't ask me why the remotes are on the side of the couch, because they're supposed to be in those pockets. Chris always puts them back in there. I don't really mess with it, but whatever. I'd rather keep the remotes here, but it's all good. We bought it, so we gonna use it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's basically the entire living room. Okay, moving on. This is my office. You guys, I love my office so much. All right, where should I start? There go my calendar that I got for 60% off. Guys, you know the calendar store? Go there when Christmas season is over because they have amazing sales, okay? I like the pop of color that it brings to the room, so I really, you know, I'm glad that I got it, and each month is the different color, you know what I'm saying? There goes my tripod. These picture frames, I got them from Winners. They were $7.99 each. I bought 3 of them. They're like a glass frame, and you can put like things in it. So I got these fake plants from the dollar store. I cut them up and I put them in there, and I thought that they were cute, you know? It was a struggle, let me tell you, because we're not gonna go into detail, but it was a struggle, just know that, okay? This desk is actually a 2-piece, so this part is 1 piece, and it cost me $29. And then this is another piece, which is the Alexa or some shit desk, or not desk, storage. It was $80. I hate it, but I needed it, so yeah. Down here I have a rug that I got from Winners. It is so soft and so gorgeous. I love it. This mouse pad thingy that I'm using here, I actually DIY'd. I bought fabric from Fabricland for like $7, like a big 1 meter piece. And then I took cardboard, but I'm actually gonna redo this project, and instead of cardboard, I'm gonna use like a cork board or whatever they call it, because I think that'll work better. This is like very stiff. Here I have my daily calendar. I love calendars, guys. I have a planner, I have a calendar, and then I have a motivational calendar right here. I have this thing, which I think is supposed to be like for makeup brushes, but I don't really have a lot of makeup brushes. I literally have like 1. So I use it as like a pen holder, but my pen right now is over there. But anyways, yeah. Guys, this was thrifted. I think I talk about that in my home decor video. But yeah, if you guys want to know how much I paid for this beautiful pottery, go watch that video. This is a succulent from IKEA. I'm surprised it's not dead yet. Anyways, this plant is also from IKEA. It was $20, and it was the biggest waste of $20 I ever spent in my life. I can't take care of anything, and it's dying, as you can see. It's literally crispy as hell. I don't know what to do. Moving on, this is my lovely office chair. This chair, like, it took me forever to finally purchase because I was like, oh hell no, I don't want to spend $200 on a chair, but I finally did. It's from STRUCTUBE. It's white. I'm so nervous that it's gonna get dirty because Chris plays video games here and he uses this chair. The chair cost me $169 plus tax. The pillow on the chair is from Urban Outfitters. I got it on sale. Watch my home decor video to find out how much I got this pillow for. This throw is from Home Outfitters. That was also a steal. So yeah, watch my home decor video. This we just bought. We just bought this stand thingy from IKEA. I can't remember what it's called, but I know it was $60. That was on sale. This is not going to be in my home decor video, so I'll tell you guys how much I paid for it. It was $13.99 on sale. But yeah, it's like a glass rustic wood thing that says you're going places. It's kind of motivational, you know. Guys, don't laugh at my ghetto-ness. I don't have any printed photos, so I didn't have anything to put in here. And also, I hate when Winners and HOMESENSE does this shit, when they put the freaking sticker on the actual thing. Like, how am I supposed to get that off? Just put it on the back. I don't understand. But anyways, as you guys can probably tell, the theme of the office is also, you know, white and gold and black, and plants. This was from HOMESENSE and it was $10. This pot thingy was from IKEA and it was $1.99. The plant is fake. It's also from IKEA and it was $3.99. And then again, I used the contact paper, you know what I'm saying? I did it on that one too. This, oh my goodness, you guys, I freaking came across this at Winners and I was like, yes, I have to get this. If you guys don't know, I'm a photographer. I had to get this. I need to get a picture for it because it's a picture frame. So cute. I have some of my lenses and microphone and camera stuff there. And then Chris's PlayStation. And the big dirty Rogers internet that we got. Why is it so big? I need to figure out what to do with all these cables. But anyways. And yeah, that's the office, you guys. If I miss anything, let me know and I'll let you know where I got it from. But again, a lot of these things are on my home decor video, so please stay tuned for that. Moving on, this is the bathroom, which I'm not gonna show you. This is the bedroom. Hold up, y'all, before I show you guys the bedroom, it is freaking empty as hell, okay? Please give me some ideas because I have no idea what I wanna do with this place. This is the bedroom. Empty AF. Absolutely nothing in here, as you can tell, except for that thing. And that. Anyways, let me close this door. So this is the bedroom, y'all. This is the closet in the bedroom. That's very ratchet. But anyways, yeah. This is where me and Chris keep all our clothes. Obviously, it wasn't enough. So we had to go and buy a bed with storage. So we have this bed. I want to say it's called Bremenez from IKEA. It's white, Avi. It has 2 storage spaces in this large compartment and then one more at the end there. And the same exact thing on the other side. This is my side. But yeah, so we had to get a bed with storage because one closet was not enough for the 2 of us. As you guys may have noticed, I have floating nightstands. Why? Because I have storage. So if I put an actual nightstand there, how the F would I have opened my blood storage? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so we had to do that. We got these floating pieces from IKEA and they were like $10 each. That is what I call a steal, honey, because all the other nightstands from IKEA were like $50 minimum. So yeah, savings. Anyways, that dream catcher thingy was I think like $20 from Winners, and I thought it was gonna look cute, but you guys, I really don't think it works in this space. So yeah, I don't know where else to put it, but maybe I'll put it in my office. But obviously you guys can tell I have absolutely nothing in here, so please holla at me with some ideas. That's it. That's the home tour. That's our apartment. I'm not gonna show you guys the bathroom and kitchen. I'll show you guys that another time. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.